Cheese.
Okay, sweetie.
Cheese. Cheese.
What do you think about that?
People.
Do you like it? There you go.
Well, there you go, sweetie.
Yeah, wow, you're a pro at this now. You do it once and then you are ready, huh? Yeah. Look at you.
Well, this went right down.
Oh, it's so easy.
Check.
Oh, but now you just have to feel it, don't you? Yeah, let's keep our fingers out of it, sweetie. Yeah.
There you go.
Raise cereal for her.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I was born to do this.